Hey there, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here in Lake Geneva and we're doing an estimate for some roof cleaning, siding cleaning, gutter cleaning. You kind of introduce myself and explain our process a little bit before you pick the services that best meet your needs. With this aluminum or steel sided home, our process is perfect for that because it actually washes away all that mold and mildew, algae, wasp nests. With no garden hose pressure from the ground, we apply our detergent, let it dwell. The detergent melts away all that mold and algae and gets that cleaned up for you really well. It takes care of this green algae. After our washing service on your house, we offer a no green algae guarantee for 2 years. So a pretty nice opportunity there. Now looking at the shingles here, I see that there's a lot of moss here on the north side. So we're going to want to brush all that off really gently and then do a post-treatment cleaner on at least this side of the roof. Thing on the opposite side of the roof that needs any attention for cleaning. So if you want, we can just focus this section of the roof where all the moss is. But we do like to do a whole roof cleaning because over time roof mold spores will bounce from one side to the next, and it's a good idea to just get it all cleaned up. But if you'd like to extend the budget a little to do the whole entire shingle, I understand that. So when we do the gutter cleaning, we're going to have to remove screens, throw those away, clean out the gutters. You can continue to move forward with having us come by 2-3 times a year for gutter cleaning. What we suggest is do like a simple screen system. If you look at these pictures right here, you can see that it does allow a small amount of things to come into the gutter, but once every 2 to 3 years we can come back, power flush over top of the screens, get everything outside from the inside of the gutters, and it's flushed away really nicely. You don't ever have to pay me or another person to remove the screens just to get the stuff out from under the screens and then reinstall the screens. It's a whole ordeal. This is a nice system that we offer because we can just flush everything right over top of the screens, and it's good to go. After we're done with the roof cleaning, I'd like to suggest that we do like a conditioning treatment from Roof Max. If you take a look at this video at the end of my presentation here, you'll get a chance to understand what Roof Max really does and how you can further extend the life of your shingles on your roof instead of having to prematurely replace your roof. Nowadays there is a way to condition and rehydrate older dried out shingles. So that would be the Happy Roof package down below if you take a look, and we look forward to helping you with any of the home maintenance services that we provide. And if you'd like to have us shine up your outdoor windows after we're done, get the water spots off your house, and make everything nice and sparkly, we're here for you. My name is Eddie, owner operator of Multi-Man Services. This is all we do is exterior home maintenance, and we really enjoy it. We appreciate the opportunity to serve you in your home. So any questions you have, feel free to call or text me on my cell, 815-520-6020. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Mike, and you've probably seen my videos talking about how the black streaks and stains are a key danger sign that your roof could be failing prematurely. If your roof has black streaks and stains, I'd like to tell you about a simple, inexpensive roof treatment that can solve your problem, saving you thousands of dollars on costly roof replacement. It's called Roof Max. Roof Max is a revolutionary new roof treatment developed by Battelle, the world's largest independent research and development company. A Roof Max treatment greatly extends the life of most any roof, regardless if it's drying out and failing prematurely or simply nearing the end of its useful life. The Ohio State University conducted a study on Roof Max and summarized that a Roof Max treatment reverses the aging process of old roof shingles closer to those of new roof shingles. I realize this sounds too good to be true. However, their statement was based on laboratory testing conducted by one of the main testing facilities used by major U.S. roofing manufacturers. Samples of both Roof Max treated and untreated shingles were tested using the highest international standards, which are ASTM. They first tested the roof shingle's flexibility, by far its most important function. To no surprise, the untreated samples failed the test. However, the samples that were treated with Roof Max passed with flying colors. We knew that Roof Max increased flexibility, We just didn't realize that it would pass the same testing that's used for brand new roofing shingles. Next, they tested for adhesion of the protective top granule coating, which begins to shed off excessively when a roof dries out and becomes brittle. Again, to no surprise, the untreated samples failed this test miserably. The RoofMax treated samples nearly passed, but just fell short. Like I said, these tests are designed for brand new roof shingles that are still in the wrapper, so it was a huge success. 3 other tests were conducted which included hail impact, moisture permeability, and fire spread. The RoofMax treated shingles considerably reduced hail impact depressions, shingle permeability was restored to levels closer to those of new roofing shingles, and there was no difference in the spread of flame. As you can see, the Ohio State University's statement that a RoofMax treatment reverses the aging process of old roof shingles closer to those of new roof shingles was backed by science, the very same science used for testing brand new roofing shingles. No, a RoofMax shingle treatment won't make your roof shingles brand new again. Nothing can do that. But a RoofMax treatment can and will greatly extend the life of your roof for just a fraction of the cost of a complete replacement and without all the hassles of getting a new roof. RoofMax has also been tested and certified by the USDA as a biopreferred product, and its main ingredient meets the EPA's safer labeling standards. The same ingredient is also used in Goodyear's new tire technology that received the Environmental Achievement Award in early 2018. Prior to your RoofMax treatment, we also complete our roof maintenance tune-up package, sealing around chimneys, skylights, and any other leak-prone areas on your roof. Discover for yourself why thousands of homeowners across the country are now thinking differently when it comes to their roofs. Click the Learn More button below.